if y'all hurt yourself in nature, get your herbal care kit right here. You know what I'm saying? It's on my website. And this is a this is low-key a promo video, but I actually hurt myself. Like, you're gonna winch off the room real good in some water. Real good in some water. Let it air dry. Let it air dry. See, the wind is blowing. Confirmation for the wind. We have to pause. This video is this video is all over the place, but literally, like, come on now. We in nature. This is everything that I'm showing y'all is in the herbal care kit. See, on the go herbal care kit. This is for me in Egypt. Like, we be on the go, we be doing all types of stuff. And you see, I just was quickly trying to do that, and I just literally scraped my hand. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a scrape right there. This little scrape right there. Literally. I don't know if y'all can see that, because I obviously can't I don't have a tripod for y'all to actually see what's going on. So I'm gonna use my Q-tips. I have Q-tips in the herbal care kit. And I'm gonna clean my wound first. So first I'm gonna clean it with my arnica right here. My arnica, alcohol, and witch hazel. So I'm gonna clean it first. I just put some water on it, so make sure you put your water on the wound first. Get one Q-tip. I don't want to contaminate the other ones. I might have to use that one though, the other one. So you're gonna get your one Q-tip. You're not gonna double dip. You're just gonna dip that one side in there. Make sure you close it so nothing won't get inside of it. You're gonna clean the wound. I'm cleaning the wound. Y'all see that blood on there? I'm cleaning it. Making sure that get on there. On the other side too. Oh wow, it's two scrapes. It's two of them. I didn't really see that one until now. It's popping up. Alright, and then I'm gonna use the other side. The clean side. I'm gonna dip that in there. Alright, I cleaned it with the arnica, witch hazel, and rubbing alcohol. And so after I clean my womb, I'm gonna put my comfrey on there to stop the bleeding. So I'm gonna get one more out. And all you gotta do is just dip it in there. It's already grinded up. I grinded up the comfrey so it's in powder form. So I don't have to worry about it. See that comfrey? I'm gonna put that on the wound. And then I'm gonna let everything air dry. And then once it's air dry, then I'm gonna put some coconut oil on it. So put that on there just to stop the bleeding. And I'm still working out here, so what I'm gonna do is I put the comfrey on there. Boom, that's it. Then I'm still working, because if you still gotta work, I have gauzes, and it doesn't come with scissors, but I have little bitty scissors. I'm gonna update the bags and stuff, and once I find little bitty scissors that I can buy, I will put that in there. But I do not have any of these little bitty scissors in there, so you're gonna have to put you a pair of scissors in there. But it does come with these gauzes. You cut a piece of gauze. I also have alcohol pads in there too, but it ain't that much of a thing. So what you're gonna do is, I'm still working, so I'm gonna do that, and then it comes with some tape. I don't know where the just went. Oh, it went under there. Alright, so this is bandage tape. This ain't no regular tape, but you can use regular tape if you don't have it. So what I'm gonna do is take it, see, like that. This is some real life stuff. When you have to bandage yourself, this is why your herbal care kit is important. Get your herbal care kits in place. It's on my website. It's really only $15, and you get all of this stuff. And you don't just use it. This is for like when you have accidents and stuff. Like that was just an accident. So what I'm gonna do is put this tape over it, this bandage tape over it, like that, so the comfort can set in, and then later I'm gonna let it air dry out. You know, I'm still working right now. I'm still trying to work. So you're gonna cut that, and boom, just like that. It don't have to be perfect. This ain't like trying to be perfect. This is just to let the comfrey soak in, let the arnica, you know, soak in there so it can heal. And then I'm gonna let it air dry later. And make sure everything else is clean. Dispose of the obviously dispose of the other Q-tips. Then put that back in your care kit. Herbal care kit. On the go herbal care kit. This is my personal one. Now the bag is not gonna come like this. It's gonna be in another bag, but it's gonna be in a bag to where you can secure everything is secure, you know. And then if you want to transfer it into like a bag like this, or to whatever bag, then you can transfer it to your own personal bag. But yeah, y'all, I just really tried to poke a hole in that, and it just played me like that on the camera. So I just had to literally come back and use it for my rise to promote my herbal care kit. Do you hear me? All right, now let's get back to work. Now I'm going to put my gloves on so it won't get no dirt inside of it. Now I have my gloves back on. At first y'all see me, I had my gloves on, then I took my gloves off. But hey, I didn't think that was gonna happen. We don't ever think things is gonna happen, but sometimes things happen. Accidents happen. Of course, we're not gonna think that an accident is gonna happen, but sometimes it does. So it's good to have your on-the-go herbal care kit, and it's good to like prepare for things, because you never know, something might sneak up on you. It's tinctures in here. There's linden leaf tinctures in here, or it's an elderberry tincture in there. It's fire honey tonics in here. It's eye bite powder in there. So if I get something in my eye, or something just happened to my eye real quick, or something just flew in my eye real quick, I can go literally put some eye bright in some water, sit it out in the sun real quick. If I don't have opportunity to go warm up me some water, put it out there real quick, and then about 2 minutes I can go literally wash my eye out with it. Oh, I'm back at it. This is not gonna stop us. Nothing is gonna stop us. I'm prepared. If you prepare, nothing will stop you. Period.